K to the E to the K, nah nah nah, K. But see me see every time I want to do, Johnny's in a time when you gotta go.
Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Wednesday. I hope it's Wednesday. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup every day. I'm going to be using all vegan brands, and so there might be one or two of the products that aren't vegan, but I would have bought them a long time ago before I was vegan. I feel like it's more of a waste to throw things out just because you're vegan. I'm not going to support the non-vegan brands anymore and buy more of their stuff, but I'm just going to keep using some of the things I have until they're gone and then buy vegan replacements. I want to show you guys that there's really good makeup out there that are vegan, and they're cheap and they're just really good products. I'm not a professional, I'm just doing this to show you guys because a lot of people ask about my makeup, even though it's the same every time, but I'm just going to show you guys what I do use, and I hope you like it even if you're not vegan, just to show you guys what else is out there. I'll try and link everything in the description, and if you want more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and comment, because that really helps my channel and it lets me know what you guys want from me. So yeah. Ooh, that breeze though. So rather than using primer, I just use moisturizer for my skin because everything makes me break out and I need something that's completely oil free or my skin goes crazy. I'm using the Natty Oak Acne Clear and Protect moisturizer, and this has SPF in it as well, so you can wear it out in the sun rather than sun cream and you won't break out. Next I use the Nonny Radiant Oil from Ceira Organics, and I just put this under my eyes because recently I've had pretty dark circles under my eyes and my eyes have been extremely tired, but this has almost got rid of them completely, which is pretty crazy. But I like to just use a little bit when I am wearing makeup because otherwise it can get pretty greasy under there, so I just use a little bit and wipe it in with my fingers. Next I like to moisturize my lips just using the Ceira Cranberry Lip Cream. You can also use this under your eyes, and sometimes I just put this on my eyes and my lips before going to bed and I wake up completely refreshed. So I don't really wear foundation because in this weather you can sweat really bad and it clogs your pores and it just makes me break out like crazy. So I've just been using the Arnica concealer in the shade Honey from Ceira as well, and I just dab this all over all the little dark spots in my under eyes and I just blend it in with my finger. So next I just use pressed powder from Revlon, and I use this all over my face just to even out my skin tone and just to make everything a little bit more matte. But Revlon tests on animals, so I didn't want to include a picture of this, but if you do want to know the shade, let me know in the comments and I will let you know. For bronzer, I'm using the Rice Powder Bronzer from Ceira as well, and it's in the shade Talum, and I just use this to like carve out my face and contour a little bit, and I do go pretty heavy on the contour, but I blend it out at the end, so bear with me guys, I know I look hectic for a second. I will say though, this bronzer is my ultimate favorite at the minute. It's got such a shimmery shade as well, so all the highlight points of your face look all glowy when you do use it, and I use it to contour out my nose and my collarbones as well. I just carve it out like I would with concealer and then blend it out. So now I'm just using highlighter from Ceira as well, and it's vanilla highlighter in Falling Star, and it's really creamy, so it looks dewy on the skin. Sometimes highlighters can look quite cakey when you put them on, but this you can even just wear on your bare skin and it just looks awesome. So for my eyebrows, I just brush them up. I don't really do anything to them. I used to draw them on, but now I just let them be free and be the hairy caterpillars they are. I'm just using the same highlighter from Air Paris, and I put this on my brow bone and on the inner corners of my eye just because I'm going to put powder highlighter on top of this and it makes it really, really pop. And yes, that is a Fenty highlighter, and I dropped it within a week of having it. But Fenty is not actually cruelty free, so when this is gone I won't be buying another one. So I'm just going in with the Fenty highlighter on my inner corners of my eye, and I just kind of drag this over like an eyeliner on the inside, and yeah. Then I use it to highlight the tip and bridge of my nose, and I just blend that out with my finger. So the mascara I'm using is from Air Paris as well, and the mascara is okay. For vegan mascaras you can get better, but I was just trying out most of the Air Paris stuff, but I think the bronzer is definitely worth it, and so is the highlighter. The mascara I'm not too sure on. Next I'm just lining my lips using the Nabby lip liner in the shade Earth. These are super cheap, and they're also cruelty free, so woo woo. The lip gloss I'm using is from Rimmel, and it's really old. I should probably throw it out, but I'm not going to till it's gone. And I'm not sure what shade it is because it's completely faded, but Rimmel is also not cruelty free, so I would definitely look for a vegan option. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love to hear your feedback. Let me know what you think. I hope you liked it, and yeah, let me know what you want to see next. When you bring your Fenty highlighter outside to try and get a really artsy shot, and you drop it and smash it. Why me? Why?